Ki diferans ki genyen an break up, break down, break in, and break out? As most of you guys already know, these are phrasal verbs. Kom pi fonan nou konen deja, sa yo se verb phrasal, verb a partikul. Nan chak phrasal verb sa yo, ou jwen break, ki se verb to break, ki signifi kraze, kase. An gade avem nan ki konteks ou kapab utilize chak phrasal verb sa yo. Break up, ki signifi separe, kampe yon relasyon, kraze sa. Par exemple, he broke up with her after she cheated on him with his best friend. Li separe ak li apre manzete fin trompel ak bon zanmil. Breakdown, se le yon bagay an pan tankou yon aparey ou bien yon machine, ou bien lo perdi kontrol emosyon. Par exemple, my car broke down on the highway, ki signifi machine mwen an tombe an pan sou gran wout lan. She broke down during her speech, ki signifi li tombe kriye pandan diskou li an. She broke down during her speech. Break in, se lo rentre yon kote ou pat sipoze rentre, ou rentre yon kote ilegalman. Par exemple, someone broke in during the night. Gen yon moun ki fe yon entre forcé pandan nuit lan. Finalman, break out, ki signifi chape ou bien le yon bagay komanse sibitman tankou yon dife, yon goumen ou bien yon epidemi kelkonk. Par exemple, a fire broke out in the building. Yon dife pete nan batiman. The prisoners broke out of jail. Prisonnier yo chape soti nan prison. Now that you guys know the difference, here's the little pop quiz. Leave your answers in the comment. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.